Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we've got the official time frame now for the Microsoft Outlook change to Mail, which is kind of a web app if you want. So if you are using the Mail and Calendar app, what is happening is that Microsoft wants to change that into the Outlook app, which will be this, what you see here, basically. And right now you can test it because there's that little switch in the app itself that gives you the possibility to test it out on the upper right. And if you don't like it, you can always revert back to the standard Mail and Calendar app. But what is interesting here is that they had paused the development and they were kind of wondering if they'd go ahead because apparently there's a lot of people that resist that change. But now, after a couple of weeks of trying to see what we're going to do, it's official. They are moving ahead. So the way it's going to happen is that you'll be offered, of course, the possibility to try it for now. But next year, what's going to happen is that in late August, the Microsoft will start pushing everybody towards the new Outlook in August of 2024. So in a year from now, you'll still have the option to go back with that switch that will appear on the app itself, and if you wish to go back. But starting at the late 2024 date, because they used to be September, but now it's late 2024, you will not have that switch and you will be stuck with the new Outlook app. You won't have any choice. You will have to move to the new Outlook for Windows. So this is what is going to happen, and the Mail app will not be supported anymore. And somewhere in 2025, if you still have the Mail app in some way, it's going to be eventually removed completely from Windows. So this is going to be interesting, and it is also interesting to see that it seems to coincide with a possible release of Windows 12. So I would guess that they might want to have at least Windows 12 with the new Outlook app directly, rather than the Mail and Calendar that we have right now. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.